All right, Derek, it's pizza review time. We have a special video here. Let's first of all, a shrine of Colorado pizza review. Come on now. And now you're probably wondering, where are we? We're at it's our grad party.
Do a nice little pan.
Nice little pan. Yeah!
It's going crazy.
It's going crazy.
It's getting turned up in here.
A lot of people here. We have a Domino's pie here. Domino's does the cheapest pizza, party pizza. We talk about party pizzas all the time. There's one in action. One in action.
This is an actual party pizza because we took it to a party.
And it's a pizza.
Potato.
Potato.
Let's go! One of our
No
biggest
class.
orders.
No class.
We have special guest, not special, Trey Holloway. Usually the filmer, we had Derek Duplichin filming. We got Ken McMahon in the cut. First time on the review.
I've been on. He's been on. The sandwich.
Oh yeah, the nice banana episode, the Halloween special.
Oh, wow.
That's a lot. I think they heard.
Classroom pizza.
Classroom pizza, we have
16
inch
slices.
by inch slices.
I think they heard we didn't get our pizza cut yesterday and really wanted to make sure this one's cut.
So we got a lot going on.
I'm going to put this on.
Nice polka dot
taking
Costco
two?
pizza. Oh, no.
I'll take this.
I'll go for
Nice slice.
I'll do a nice bowl.
I don't think I can fold this little piece.
Oh, this is, look at this flopping.
Whoa, Trey's right here. One bite, everyone knows the rules. Let me tell you, a pizza like this tastes different when you're at a party. If you eat in the classroom, it tastes better. If you eat at a party, it tastes better. This automatically tastes better. It automatically tastes better. But if you eat
I think
your
this
house,
is a 7 or 8.
I think it's a 10.
there's no 10.
Hey, you wanna know what this is? This is Americana.
See you, bud.
This is an American pizza.
This is Americana.
The sauce has decent tang.
I don't have a lot of sauce in my slice, but
And then you got the nice crust. I like the nice, what did you want to pick? Garlic?
traditional, I don't know. Maybe like butter, garlic, simple stuff. Derek, show the crowd here. We got a lot of
Standing room only.
This is going crazy.
You know the rules. The guest start us off with scoring. Guest start us off.
No, I don't think I can start us off.
I don't want to start
I
us
mean,
off.
it's a nice party pizza. For the event we're at, this is at least in the 7s.
No.
For the event we're at,
No.
it's in the 7s. Okay, we'll go.
We don't rate
We'll
these
have
six.
6. Now, if you're at home, it's probably dipping into the 5s, maybe in the 4s. But this is a party pizza.
I'm
not
gonna
a
go
party.
nice 6.4.
I'm gonna go a nice 6.1. Finish it off strong.
I'm going to be down to 5.8.
That's
Probably would
fine.
have been without the party, probably a 4.6. With the party, 5.8.
I agree.
Here's what it is: Domino's Pizza.
Grad party edition.
Get out.
Thanks for watching.